Ever wondered if you could build a lightning-fast online store without breaking the bank? I know I have. We're living in a world where e-commerce is booming, and everyone seems to be setting up shop online. But the cost of platforms, the fees, the transactions, it can all add up pretty quickly. So the question on everyone's mind, especially those just starting out, is Lightspeed free to use? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to break down Lightspeed's pricing structure, explore what you get for free, if anything, and see if it's the right fit for your business. Because let's face it, nobody wants to get hit with hidden fees or realize they're on the wrong platform after they've invested time and effort. Now, before we jump into the specifics, let's talk a little bit about Lightspeed itself. For those unfamiliar, Lightspeed is a cloud-based commerce platform that offers a range of tools for businesses of all sizes. Think of it as an all-in-one solution for managing your online store, processing payments, tracking inventory, and even handling your point of sale if you have a physical location. They cater to a wide variety of industries, from retail and restaurants to golf courses and e-commerce businesses. So, it's a pretty comprehensive platform, which is why the pricing question is so important. Alright, let's get to the core of the matter. Is Lightspeed free? The short answer is no. Lightspeed doesn't offer a completely free plan. They operate on a subscription-based model, meaning you pay a recurring fee to access their services. This is pretty standard for robust platforms like Lightspeed, as they invest heavily in developing and maintaining their software. However, that doesn't mean there aren't ways to try before you buy. Lightspeed typically offers free trials. This allows you to explore the platform, test out its features, and see if it aligns with your business needs before committing to a paid plan. These trials usually last for a set period, like 14 days, and give you a hands-on experience with the platform. It's a great opportunity to play around with the interface, set up a sample store, and get a feel for how everything works. So, while it's not free forever, you can definitely give it a test drive without spending any money up front. Now, let's talk about the different pricing tiers. Lightspeed offers various plans tailored to different business sizes and needs. These plans typically vary in terms of the number of products you can list, the transaction fees, the available features, and the level of support you receive. It's crucial to carefully review each plan and choose the one that best suits your current situation and future growth projections. For example, their basic plans might be suitable for smaller businesses or startups with limited inventory and sales volume. These plans usually come with fewer features and lower transaction limits. As your business grows and your needs become more complex, you can upgrade to higher-tier plans that offer more advanced features, higher transaction limits, and dedicated support. One thing to watch out for is transaction fees. While some platforms might advertise themselves as free, they often make up for it with hefty transaction fees. Lightspeed, like most platforms, does have transaction fees, but the rates can vary depending on your chosen plan and the payment gateway you use. It's essential to understand these fees upfront so you can accurately calculate your costs and ensure you're still making a profit. Another important factor to consider is the level of support offered with each plan. If you're new to e-commerce or not very tech-savvy, having access to reliable customer support can be invaluable. Lightspeed typically offers different levels of support depending on the plan you choose. Higher-tier plans often include priority support, dedicated account managers, and faster response times. So, how do you choose the right plan for your business? First, take a close look at your current needs. How many products do you plan to sell? What's your estimated monthly sales volume? Do you need any specific features like inventory management, POS integration, or advanced reporting? Once you have a clear understanding of your requirements, you can compare the different Lightspeed plans and choose the one that best fits your budget and needs. Don't be afraid to take advantage of the free trial. It's the best way to experience the platform firsthand and see if it's the right fit for your business. During the trial, you can experiment with the features, set up a test store, and even process a few test transactions. This will give you a good sense of how the platform works and whether it meets your expectations. Remember, choosing the right e-commerce platform is a critical decision for your business. It's not just about the cost. It's also about the features, the support, and the overall user experience. Take your time, do your research, and choose a platform that will help you grow and succeed. And remember, While Lightspeed isn't entirely free, the value it provides in terms of features, scalability, and support can be well worth the investment for many businesses. It's all about finding the right balance between cost and functionality. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.